Here's how to recharge your Mobilis Algeria credit in less than a minute using a top-up card, without needing an app or website. Recharge credit via keypad. This is the fastest and most common way to top up your credit. Scratch the top-up card. Scratch the designated area on the back of the top-up card to reveal the 14-digit recharge code. Dial the code. On your phone, open the dial pad and dial the following code. 610* your 14-digit recharge code hashtag. For example, if your recharge code is 123456789012334, the code you would dial is 610-123456789012334 hashtag. Press the call button. After entering the code, press the call button. You will immediately receive an SMS confirmation stating that the recharge was successful and the credit has been added to your account. If you have any questions about any service on any network, leave us your inquiry in the comments. We are happy to help you.